I used to get up to the sound of Rang Barse.
Dude, the combination of Puran Poli and the Thandai.
Oh, I love gujiyas.
Part of me always wanted to, flirt with someone on Holi and have that. I don't know why, but
No, I see the appeal.
Pichkari and
I see
stuff.
the appeal. Yeah. Of course, like you couldn't add so to the balloon, like obviously. Of course not. Like I've heard people do that, but like no,
my God.
do not do that, please.
Tritika,
So
what the fuck?
Yeah. Guns, by the way, have to get upgraded every year.
Yes.
Like you start with a small pichkari,
Yes.
and then it
it's
comes to like one fucking big
Yeah,
ass
yeah.
thing. It's like you pump it up, and then you're like,
मेरी माँ डोर से बाथरूम तक का भी ऐसे बोलती कि भाई तू एक ही पैर रख और ऐसे करके चल टिपी टो
but she's like, I need to go home, get one kata and scrub you. Like that was of course an exaggeration.
Like I'm imagining
bleeding.
I'm imagining auntie going kiss.
My mom's like holding my hand and like gassawing.
And then उसको भांग पिला दिया, उसको बोला नॉर्मली है ठंडाई है, नॉर्मल है ठंडाई है, उसने पी लिया.
Right.
So then he was like वापस पीऊंगा. उसने 2-3 बार और पिया. फिर उसके बाद भाई
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam.
So, if you can't tell by our get-up today, we are going to go to Spain to participate in the Tomato Festival. Ooh, ah. No, but yeah, Holi
That's
is
the
around the
Spain
corner.
festival is like a Holi in itself only.
it's Spain ka Holi.
Huh, it's
Spain
Spain ka
ka
Holi.
Yeah.
They're
But-
just wasting food by wasting water. It's just
all right.
उधर नहीं जाने का था.
But yeah, what have you guys like? Is Holi something that y'all have always played
of course.
since,
Yes.
and do y'all still play it?
Yes.
It's not the same how it was when we were kids.
For sure.
Because like in my building specifically, like we had like a proper function of Holi. Like all
Yeah,
the kids
yeah.
would come down. It was decided a day before. कि, you know, ये इतने बजे सबको नीचे आना है for Holi. We're gonna play Holi at say 8, 9, whatever. बिल्डिंग के बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं होली का फंक्शन है 8 बजे जिनको आना है आ जाओ. इट्स नॉट लाइक कंपल्सरी कि तुमको आना ही है टू ईच देयर ओन. एंड देन वी वुड कम वही पुराने कपड़े पहन. पुराने कपड़ों का मतलब होली समझो अभी मार्च में आती है तो पिछले साल
Yes.
से शुरू होता है कि अब बाप रे अगले होली में मुझे क्या पहनना है मतलब
You filter out the worst clothes.
यस
Yeah.
एक वो निकाल के रखे हुए मम्मी ने अलग
So
से.
there is one set of torn and old clothes which are used as pocha.
Yes.
And there's another set which is used for Holi.
होली
Yeah,
फॉर
yeah.
श्योर एंड लाइक इट्स
Yes.
ऑलरेडी सेट इन स्टोन कि तुमको यही पहनना है खराब हो जाएगा फिर हम फेंक देंगे.
Yeah, I can't fuck with people who wear like all white.
Bro, I do that.
Nah.
Yeah, no, say I know you've done it, and there was this. I think it was last year where you had gone for like a event, like a Holi
Yeah,
event,
Holi event.
and I like Holi, but then I'm never like, oh, let's make plans for Holi. Like I am never like that. So Srishti wanted to come and like just for the for
Sake
the
of it.
sake of it, she wanted to come and put color for all of us.
Not for the sake of it, I wanted
No,
to
for
meet
the-
you. For Holi.
Yeah, for Holi. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
And she wore a brand new white top with jeans. And I'm like, Srishti, you're going to play Holi like this? She's like, yeah. And she came and she put, I was below my building, I was standing, and she put color on me and I put a little color on her. And I knew that she was going to get her white top destroyed. And थोड़ा गिर गया उसके टॉप पे. I was like, भाई मैं धो लूँ क्या? Like you want me to wash it and give it back?
I have पुराने clothes set for Holi.
I'm scared. But yeah, I cannot.
So the thing is that when I was young, I used to not play Holi at all. Like I was very scared of Holi because I used to see my dad go and play Holi with his friends and him coming home looking like a different human being altogether.
yeah.
That would scare the shit out of me.
Same. I used to see.
I used to start bawling my eyes out and crying.
Yeah.
So then once there was this time that the place that I was living in, the building, so all of my friends they knocked on the door and then I was like, मैं खोलने ही नहीं वाली हूँ. And then I heard my mom saying, it's me only, open the door. I opened the door. My mom is standing like far behind, and all my friends, they pull me out और पूरा भिगा दिया, पूरा color
Did
लगा
they take
दिया.
one lota and like
Not
empty it on you?
lota, a bucket, a
Oh,
whole
oh my
fucking
God.
bucket. पूरा भिगा
Yeah.
दिया, फिर उसके ऊपर पूरा color लगाया.
My mom would make them clean the
हाँ
mess that
भाई,
they
of course.
created.
My mom.
No, my mom was very like, you should play Holi. Why are you sitting at home? पागल वागल है क्या?
Yeah. I was like, as a kid, I was very enthusiastic because I had kids my age also who used to
Yeah,
play.
yeah.
So everyone on my floor, we were 5 of us, but like us 5 used to do everything together, from playing after school till like late evening to any festival. We used to like play it together. We used to celebrate it together. So even though it was the 5 of us, my neighbor, their parents used to give them like 3 buckets. My mom used to give like Dylan and me like 2 buckets.
Yeah.
And another neighbor, she used to get like 1 bucket. So we used to have 5 buckets and उसमें खेलो.
बाप
उसमें
रे.
जो उसमें balloons fill करना है उसमें fill करो. Or want to fill your guns. Oh, guns by the way have to get upgraded every year.
Yes.
Bro,
Like you start with a small pichkari.
Yes.
And
And
then
then
it
it's
comes to
like-
like one fucking
Yeah,
big
yeah,
ass
yeah.
thing. It's like you pump it up and then you're like, bro, on everyone.
Once I
funniest
started,
bit,
like, I remember there was this time my dad got me this electric water gun also.
Dude, my fingers
Once
were
I-
worked up, huh?
Once
Doing that
I
thing.
started playing Holi, there was no going back. My parents were so fucking happy. My dad was like, and you know, we would get those like stick balloons, like
Yeah, you
there
fill
were, like,
them. Yeah.
There was one top at the bottom,
Oh,
and
yeah,
there were like
yeah.
multiple
Yes.
balloons.
Oh, yes, I remember
And then my
this.
dad would get
But
it for
like-
me and all my friends.
I feel like when I used them, they were like a pain in the ass to fill. Like they would take hours to fill. And building में क्या था, एक ही नल था जो नीचे था जिससे हम पानी भरते
Everyone
थे.
used to fight to go
Everyone used to. एक तो वो balloon भर नहीं रहा है.
And then bro, if it fills and then it bursts.
crazy.
इधर दर्द होता है.
इधर दर्द होता है.
But
अंदर तक.
the prep is damn cute, huh? Like, dude, hours before, like, you have to actually go and play with your friends. You're like sitting in the bathroom and like there's
Filling
one big
balloon,
tub, and your brother, like my brother and I used to like fill it tight, and keep.
Dude, my building was crazy. Like, I think हमारे में समझ मार्च के शुरुआत में ही होली शुरू हो
Same,
गई है. People
same,
are
same.
playing रात में नीचे आके
Yes.
होली. No colors, just water though.
It's just
Yeah.
water. You're coming home from office and randomly you get a balloon top in
Yes.
front of your face.
Those kids
So
will.
Yeah.
me and my dad, we used to be very enthusiastic about Holi. 2-3 days earlier, we used to start filling up the balloons. रात में next day होली है, रात में हम लोग ने सारे balloons भर के रखे और रात से चालू किए ऊपर से घर के window से फेंकना. And there was this specific tradition that I think a lot of old buildings in Bombay followed. So
I know what you're talking about. I also live in a very old building.
Yeah.
So I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about.
So you are like fully colored, like
Yeah.
weird. You look like a alien, bro,
Yeah.
with the
There is-
silver permanent color and everything.
There is
all
silver in
over
your eye,
body.
in your butt crack,
In your mouth.
in your hand. Like, it is everywhere. In your mouth, yes.
Yeah, like that. And you go to every single house. You knock on their door, and you're like, "Aina ka baina." So there was this thing. I don't remember it. Aina ka baina घेतल्याशिवाय जाईना. So it's like you're asking for money on their doors.
हाँ.
I don't know what it was for. Like, बच्चा होली खेल रहे तो मतलब उनको पैसे दे
We
दो.
had that in Diwali. On New Year's, we would like all of us kids when we were younger, we used to go to everyone's house and like of course Diwali है तो मिठाई है, chocolates है, सबके घर पे सब टेबल पे रखा हुआ है because New Year's है, Diwali है, and we would go to everyone's house and we would collect chocolates. सबको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर विश करके would come home with chocolates and then मैं और मेरी बहन ऐसा बैठकर we used to segregate chocolates कि ये तेरा ये मेरा, तो उसमें हाथ नहीं डाल रही, मैं तुझे बहुत मारूंगी.
तो फिर एक बार ऐसे पूरे घर का घूम के हो गया, पूरे बिल्डिंग में घूम के हो गया. फिर जो पैसे आते थे उसमें रात में कई मस्त होटल में जाते थे और मस्त खाना खाते थे या फिर पर्शियन दरबार का बिरयानी या केपसा मंगा के खा लेते थे. ब्रो, इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल.
Yeah,
I miss
right.
it so much.
So even though I used to play Holi only until like what 10-11. Okay, beyond that, people either like my friends either moved to a different location or something, or I was just not that into it anymore.
Yeah.
But just the vibe of like living in an old society, in a very old society, and having all the adults also be as enthusiastic as the kids.
Yes.
It's a different vibe.
Yeah, totally.
You might not be playing it, but just I used to get up to the sound of Rang barse.
Oh my God, yes.
And dude, that used to wake me up, and I was like, bro, this is it. This is what I want to get up for on Holi and nothing else. I don't care about the colors, the guns, the water balloons, the food. I want to see people enjoy. Because my house was situated in such a location off the building where I used to, my balcony could see the entire thing that used to happen down.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that was the prime spot where people used to come and play.
Oh, same. Exactly.
Same. Oh my
That's
God.
a vibe.
Yeah, your building to faces
Yeah.
that.
Huh.
So I used to see people like run behind each other, throw eggs, throw like balloons, and you know, it was crazy. And I used to love seeing that because the aftermath of it was, of course, hell, and
sure.
everyone is either drunk or like having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But basically, just seeing that as a kid, it was peak, dude.
Like
It was
no
peak.
experience can match that.
Yeah,
Exactly.
bro.
Forget about like playing Holi, just the experience of watching it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and not just for any
dude.
festival, but more so for Holi because I was not an active
Player.
player in it. But I just loved being on the sidelines and seeing
Yeah, yeah.
people have fun and play that.
This
So, you
one
know-
time in our building, we organized like a full-on event. Like they had breakfast, and then there was like all of us building people did like a proper like dance performance. Like there were 8 to 10, and we were like prepping for it a month before. So like we knew ये साल हम कुछ crazy करेंगे building में. होली का फंक्शन होगा, सब नीचे आएंगे, ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, होली खेलेंगे. एंड दैट होली वाज नॉट दैट लॉन्ग कि मतलब दोपहर के 2 बजे तक चल रहा है बिकॉज हमारा फंक्शन था. तो हम सब एंड व्हेन दिस इज हैपनिंग ना, एवरीवनस ऑन टाइम. लाइक नो किड इज लाइक फसिंग कि यार मुझे उठना है, एक दिन छुट्टी मिली है, व्हाटएवर. एवरीवनस लाइक so
I've never heard a
into
kid
about
say
it.
that.
What?
Like, oh, छुट्टी है, मुझे सोना है.
Same.
We do it now. Like, I don't think any kid was.
No, like they would be like, yeah, I don't want to wake up early in the morning. I have one day holiday.
Ulta, I feel kids on holidays used to get up even early and watch like cartoons and stuff.
Nah, I used to sleep.
What?
I used to sleep. I need my sleep.
Bro, heart attack at 8.
Repeat.
No,
आता
no.
था.
8 नहीं भाई. ये तो
8
crazy
that's
है
too
भाई.
much.
On holidays still I used to get up at 8, but uske later I used to not get up. But anyway, go on.
Yeah, so all the kids have come down, they're having breakfast, and then so breakfast का जो कपड़ा है वो होली का कपड़ा नहीं है. Breakfast तुम करने आ रहे हो नीचे, then you go up again, then you change, then you come down, play Holi.
Yeah.
And then there's like so many performances even for me. I think I was in like 3 to 4 performances. Then you go back home, and I live on the first floor. So my house is very convenient for people to come home and change. ठीक है? तो मतलब सब घर पर आ रहे हैं, रेडी हो रहे हैं, चेंज कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, फिर वापस नीचे जा रहे हैं, परफॉर्मेंस हो गया, वापस ऊपर आ रहे हैं. That day was, I think, the best Holi I will ever have. And then there's performance खत्म हो गया, फिर सब नीचे बैठ के साथ में लंच कर रहे हैं, and then there's like games in the night. मतलब पूरा दिन कहाँ निकल गया समझ ही नहीं आया. It was so much
I
fun
feel
and I
like-
miss that.
So, but the thing is that once I shifted, like the old place to the new building that I live at right now, once we shifted, there were like a lot of children में wars going on. Like वो building के बच्चे हमारे बच्चे.
yes!
तो ऐसा था कि होली पे देखेंगे.
Yes.
तो होली के टाइम पे नीचे आ. हम लोग ने पूरा प्लानिंग किया था दूसरे विंग के बच्चों को कैसे डिफीट करना है. पूरा प्लानिंग किया रात से बैठकर हम लोग ने रूल्स बनाए थे दोनों के विंग्स ने
Whoa.
कि तुम लोग परमानेंट यूज नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग बोलते ठीक है. फिर
So there was a meeting before that. Very official.
सभा बैठती है भाई.
फिर
सभा
हम लोग
बैठती है.
उनको बोले थे कि तुम लोग अंडा यूज नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग ने बोला हाँ. फिर हम लोग ने प्रॉपर ग्राउंड रूल सेट किया. नो परमानेंट कलर्स, नो एग्स, नो सिल्वर कलर, नो नथिंग. गुड कलर्स एंड ओनली पानी. जितना मारना है, जितना फेंकना है, जितना गीला करना है, सब करो. फिर उसके बाद मेरे में थोड़ी सी
हाँ, of course.
थोड़ी सी तो चिल रहेगी ना. तो मैंने बलून्स में सारे परमानेंट कलर्स थोड़े डाले. एंड देन मैं फेंक के भागी और फिर हम लोग होली खेले, सब हुआ. अभी वो टाइम पे तो उसको रियलाइज नहीं होगा ना कि ये परमानेंट है नहीं है ये सब. तो सब होली खेले, उसके बाद खाना खाया, साथ में बैठ के फिर सब खुश हो गए. फिर दोनों टीम एकदम हाँ मस्त मस्त, तुम भी नहीं जीते हम भी नहीं हारे.
खाना मिल गया, फिर सब सॉर्ट
खाना
है.
मिल गया.
Yeah.
दोनों टीम साथ में बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं, मस्त एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, डांस वांस कर रहे हैं. फिर उसके बाद गए घर पे, सब नहाए, फिर उसके बाद रात को नीचे आए तो मुझे ऐसा सब लोग पूछ रहे कि परमानेंट किसने लगाया, परमानेंट किसने लगाया. सब लोग बोल रहे बलून्स तो सृष्टि भर के लाई थी. फिर मैं नीचे गई नहीं 2-3 दिन तक. मैं बोला मैं
भाई.
जा ही नहीं रही.
अगर होली में बलून बच जाते हैं तो होली के बाद भी उनको खत्म करना रूल है.
Of course.
Like, होली
of
के बाद
course.
भी you have to finish the balloons. You can't carry forward.
It's the same thing as Fatake on Diwali. It starts before the Diwali and then it continues after Diwali. Because,
Yeah.
bro, some people in my building, तो till December they were like
ये ज्यादा हो गया भाई.
exactly till December, like not
That is
every
कितने
day.
फटाके लाए
That
थे?
is too much.
Yeah, that's what I was like. One day I was just randomly sitting and I was like, अरे ये कहाँ से आ गया यार? दिवाली चालू हो गई.
And the thing is that during Holi, no, my mom used to make Puran Polis.
Yeah.
Dude, the combination of Puran Poli and a Thandai,
Oh, I love gujiyas.
which I can't
The
even.
one thing that my mom doesn't make, like she doesn't know how to make, is gujiyas, and I love. I come to your house for what? For gujiyas only.
Yeah.
But I think there's something so, it's, you can't explain that feeling of, it's the same thing as when you go swimming. You get so tired and then you come home so hungry.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think that applies to Holi also
For
because
sure.
water, you're like drenched in water most of the time. You're in the sun, you're running about, you're having fun. And then coming home to like a nice, I'm pretty sure like Puran Poli
Puran
tastes like
Poli.
heaven.
For sure. Like,
Gujia tastes like heaven.
beautiful.
It's such a,
It's so simple.
it's not an original experience. Everyone who has played
Huh.
Holi has experienced this.
Yeah,
But it's just something you can't explain, dude. And I don't know, coming home in the afternoon, having that meal and then going to sleep in the afternoon.
Coming home and before eating something, the
Ooh.
bath.
Oh, yes, I
That-
can imagine.
What are you guys talking about? तुम लोग की मम्मी तुम लोग को वैसे ही कपड़ों में घर के अंदर आके खाने देती है?
भाई तो कह रही हूँ ना, खाने के पहले नहाना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, खाने के पहले नहाना पड़ता है.
ऐसी
वही-
मेरी
yeah.
मेरी माँ डोर से बाथरूम तक का भी ऐसे बोलती कि भाई तू एक ही पैर रख और ऐसे 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 करके चल, टिपी टो पे चल.
There was a time my mom, she like had those lined up pochas from the hall
Yeah.
to the bathroom, like kept like that, and then मुझे वो शादी करके घर में enter नहीं करते वैसी वाली feel आ रही थी भाई, क्या है ये?
And my mom was so smart, like she would keep an old towel for Holi. Like if हमारा पुराना towel है तो वो she would keep that for Holi day. तो once you have a bath or if you want to clean yourself up, use that old towel. नहा 2 बार नहा.
Yeah,
एक बार नहा रंग उतारने के लिए, दूसरी बार नहा ताकि तू साफ हो जाए.
Yes,
exactly.
और पहली बार के लिए old towel वापस.
Yeah.
You can't use the new towel. Like crime है.
Yeah, when I was younger, my mom, like this was back in when I was like 9 or something. Okay, so there were specific times in the year where my mom used to give me a bath. Okay, one was definitely Holi.
Yeah.
And there was this one time, this is a little like off topic, but I had gone for a vacation to Goa, okay? And I had not gone with my parents, I'd gone with my aunt. Okay, and we did discuss this in the summer vacations episode,
Yeah.
okay? Remember I told her, like, I got super fucking tanned.
Yeah.
I had gotten so tanned that my mom, she came at the station to, like, my mom and my dad had come to the station to pick me up, and she looked at me and she was like, oh my God, you look like shit is on your face and on your body. Like, that's how badly I was tanned. Because, like, as a kid, you don't give a shit
Obviously.
about these things.
You just wanna have
like,
fun.
You, even by playing Holi, you don't give a shit of how the color has, like, come on my face. I'm gonna put it here.
My
You
worst
look like
is-
your blush is not blended in.
कान में जाता था भाई. I used to use a
Every
Q-tip.
nook and
वो
corner it has gone in. Yes.
The fuck?
And so my mom, she saw me, she was like, I need to go home, get one kata and scrub you. Oh shit. Like, I was of course an exaggeration. Like, I'm imagining bleeding. I'm imagining auntie going kiss. My mom's like holding my hand and like gasawing me. But that was that one time. And the next would be like an occasion like Holi or something.
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
She would see me, my mom, you know how like middle class Indian moms, they wear these like house coat gowns,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So she took it up. She like the form में आ गई थी. She's like, go to the bathroom. She was like, I'm coming. You undress. She's like, gotten the soap and everything ready, and she's just like rubbing my body and like getting off the color off of me. But it's genuinely an experience.
मुझे तो याद है.
I'm
Did you all
terrified.
like
I'm
oil?
terrified of that.
Of course.
Yeah.
Y'all would ना उससे भी
Of
color
course.
नहीं it still would stain. With the oil, with whatever fucking moisturizer you want to put or cream, it would
See,
still stain.
The thing is that once I start playing like event holies, तभी I was all chill. तभी color रहता नहीं था. Like the color used to go off.
because
and
of
all.
course,
It's an
majority,
event, and then
yeah.
they
would
used to
use safe colours.
safe colors and everything. But before, when I used to go down and play in my building,
Building.
bro, जाता ही नहीं था.
Crazy.
और there were these specific areas, okay? The back of your neck. This portion for some reason.
Your
ear
nails.
and-
Yeah, you would always
ear
forget the
and
back
some-
of your ear.
ear
Yes.
and
like
back
here.
of- yeah,
Here and your nails.
nails for some
Inside.
reason were all pink.
I still have.
Yeah.
Were all pink, and then somehow my feet used to be like some weird as
Shit.
pink and red color.
Yeah.
As it is, it's already bad, and then
Yeah, no, I get it. But I don't think like the event Holi even compares to the gully Holi and your building ka
Of
Holi that
course
you
not.
paid.
It's
No,
just like
no.
very
Like
doesn't.
it's very
doesn't.
you can it's one is of course like monetized and it's just very proper.
yeah. Like, it's not dirty.
It's not dirty.
No,
it's not
no.
like
it is dirty. It is
unless
quite
you have a
dirty.
group, dude. And I feel
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you very few people have that experience where
There's a group.
there's a group and of
And
course
you're,
otherwise
like,
you
going-
wouldn't go.
You're going bonkers on each other.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, bro, that's what we were doing. Like we were having like this much color in our hands. We were just going and putting in each other's t-shirts randomly.
Yeah.
T-shirt खोलो डालो t-shirt. वो मतलब उधर भी वही चल रहा था.
Yeah.
इसके लिए मुझे बहुत मजा आया था. Like both the times was event.
Yeah,
for
but
sure.
Quite fun.
you know, growing up, I used to also see a lot of these movies and songs and videos about Holi.
Yes.
And I used to see that and I was like, damn, this is so fun. Like they're enjoying and stuff. And a part of me always wanted to, you know, flirt with someone on Holi and have that. I don't know why, but
no, I see the
Balam
appeal.
Pichkari and
I see
stuff.
the appeal. Yeah.
It's such a hot banter between the two people. Like, and I know this is not an excuse to be creepy now to people.
Yeah.
This is like genuinely not an excuse to be creepy and take advantage or whatever. But then I feel like if you both know each other and there's already an existing chemistry, I feel Holi just amps it up.
For sure.
And I've always wanted that. Like,
No, for sure, I agree with you.
right?
I see
No,
it.
bro, I used to get very disgusted by every boy that I laid my eyes on at Holi because they
that's-
looked like, ugh.
No, that's what. Now you saw them there, but I'm talking about if you
No.
already know them.
Exactly. It's like, bhai, dur ho ja.
So it's not the same appeal for you? So like Balam Pichkari doesn't be like, but I'm gonna have my Balam Pichkari moment.
So, मेरे लिए it's the main character moment. Like, I need to feel like. तो उसके लिए एक बार मैंने व्हाइट कुर्ती पहना था नया, वो भी मम्मा का. I was
बाप
like,
रे.
I want
एक
to
तो
wear a
white, ऊपर
kurti.
से नया, ऊपर से मम्मी का. बाप रे.
And then फिर वो कुर्ती पूरा tie dye बन गया था, purple, red and pink and all. And then my mom is just like, Mau, after this, if you ever take my clothes, you do whatever shit you want to do with your clothes, but you ever take my clothes, you won't have to bother coming back to the house. And I was like, ठीक है भाई, Holi
Valid.
ठीक ही है.
अब अगले साल देख लेंगे. अब तो हो गया.
So yeah, for me it was like मुझे main character जैसा feel करना है, मैं लड़का वड़का.
But I've
गंदे ही दिखते हैं.
definitely worn the most hideous outfits. So there's a picture of my sister and me in my bathroom where we're like shivering from the cold and mama's like feeling like mama used to like the first splash of water would be thoda garam pani ताकि all the color sort of melts
Yeah.
and everything. And मैं और मेरी बहन ऐसे you know we're standing
Yeah.
like some two innocent babies and mama's like filling the tub and everything. My sister wore this itna ganda outfit. Is all green. I have a picture of it. I'll show. It'll be up here somewhere. And oh my god, when you think back, you're like, what the fuck was I doing?
Yeah, but I feel like it's good only.
Yeah,
हाँ
bro.
पुराने outfits ले खराब हो गया फेंक दो.
Yeah.
But when you think about that now,
So you guys remember when having a bath, if you have like white bathroom tiles, क्या ही मजा आता है देखने में.
yes,
क्या मजा आता है
I would
देखने में.
purposely I would do that. Like if I had color here, I would thoda sa put water, wet it, and be like watercolors.
DIY.
I would do that, and my mom would like give me fatka pieces.
The first shower when it hits your hair and then
you see
everything,
all the
all the
water.
color is going down. You see like brown, pink, purple on
Oh,
your white
shit.
tiles. It's so much fun. I love that, dude. I
Damn
love
fun,
that
damn fun.
feeling.
That's too good.
Then but बाद में वो बाथरूम क्लीन भी करना पड़ता है, वो अलग बात है क्योंकि मम्मी चिल्लाती रहती है. So you know there was this car in our society for the longest time. पता नहीं किसकी थी, बस थी, ठीक है. एक वाइट कलर की मारुति 800 थी. होली के टाइम पे जो माँ गाड़ी की ऐसी मतलब माँ थी ना, आगे से येलो, पीछे से ब्लू, बीच में से ग्रीन.
That was one concern in every society. I feel if there's like cars, like my dad, like he treats his car like his third baby. Like one scratch and he'll feel guilty about it. कि भाई मेरे से ठुक गई गाड़ी. And I think for Holi, my dad would like put a cover on the car and be like, मेरी गाड़ी के आसपास मुझे कोई बच्चा दिखा, उसको इतना मारूंगा ना मैं. वो हमारे designated मतलब it's an unspoken rule. You can't cross this line, like this area, to around to that area. If you go past that, you are a criminal. You have to pay for the crime. And everyone's playing Holi in that
Yeah, in
area
that
only.
छोटू area. Yeah.
And luckily my car was beyond that. So I was like, bhai, sort it. But like my dad would always keep a look ऊपर से. Sometimes he would like just take a walk and be like, कोई गाड़ी के पास तो नहीं जा रहा. Because they would keep like colors and shit on the car and it would go inside the bonnet. And then that cleanup is difficult.
Yeah.
So yeah, but like
और हम
Fun.
लोग के यहाँ पे ना टैंकर्स बुलाते थे, पानी के टैंकर्स वेस्ट करने के लिए. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द फक
Oh,
वर दे
no, that's
थिंकिंग.
too much.
Exactly. So then once a lot
you
of
also have a very big society, right?
yeah, we
But
have
then
a
if
very
everyone gets like 1 to 2 baltis.
अरे
like
भाई उसका सोसाइटी मुझे पता है ना कितना घर है उसमें.
buildings भी कितने सारे हैं.
अंदर आगे पीछे पूरा
Fair,
भरा हुआ
but
है.
that's what I'm saying.
So
that
that's
each
what-
family gets their own 2 buckets.
No,
I
it
feel
was
like
not the bucket system. We had like small chotu taps niche also.
हाँ.
So the
Acha,
thing
okay.
was a lot of people from the society were like, bro, this is not cool.
Yeah.
And then they raised a petition and everything. So after the petition, they stopped calling the tankers. So then the people were like still like, but now that you are not ordering a tanker, at least give pani from the tanki that's like on our societies. So then our society was not ready to give that. So I remember there was this one uncle who got very drunk, and then we had like these fire emergencies ke liye pipes.
Right.
So he grabbed them from the first floor and he's showering everyone with the water.
Oh, that's so fun.
That was so cool. That was one of the coolest shit ever.
Dude,
that was
we have
so
a,
fucking
we have a
cool.
garden in my building. So like every day a Mali would come and he would like use this long ass pipe to water the plants. We would always get that out for Holi. And I mean, अभी तो बिल्डिंग में कैसा है, यहाँ पर एक नल है और फिर पीछे की साइड पर भी एक नल है. इट्स अ लिटिल फार अपार्ट. तो वी वुड कनेक्ट लाइक 2 वायर्स, लाइक 2 ऑफ दोस पाइप्स, टाई देम अप एंड देन लाइक वी वुड like go around the building सब पे ऐसा ऐसा. And then last में once Holi is done playing, सबका हो गया है, this one uncle like those uncles, they would like take the pipe and like hold it in a certain way कि मतलब वो shower बन जाता है, and then everyone's just under that thing and it's like a rain dance, like a सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ rain dance.
that reminds me of this episode on Tarak Mehta where Jethalal has this laddu from some Babita ji, Babita ji, Babita ji, Babita ji.
Was he like
आज मैं
No,
बबीता
that
जी को
wasn't
अपने
a
दिल की
holy
बात
thing.
बोली.
That wasn't a holy thing. It was a Mahashivratri का प्रसाद. And that had bhang mixed in it.
oh
right,
dude,
right. That I remember.
So my friend, he was intoxicated by his friends, and he doesn't drink. He didn't do anything.
Oh, no.
And then उसको भांग पिला दिया. उसको बोला नॉर्मली है, ठंडा ही है, नॉर्मल है, ठंडा ही है. उसने पी लिया. उसने एक ग्लास पिया, बट ही ईट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फूड एंड ही
Right.
सो देन ही वाज लाइक वापस पीऊंगा. उसने 2-3 बार और पिया. फिर उसके बाद भाई एवरीथिंग भाई. देन हम लोग खाने बैठे थे. We are all sitting together to eat, and there was like biryani and kachumbar for everyone. So he's taking the spoon, he's dipping it in the kachumbar, and then he's taking the spoon and putting it outside the plate and doing this.
Oh shit.
मतलब बिरयानी इधर है, कचुम्बर इधर है, स्पून इधर है. He's taking the spoon, dipped it in the kachumbar, and then where do you go? You'd go to the rice, right?
Yeah.
He's gone outside the plate in the air and he's doing this. And then he's eating. Just the kachumbar.
Oh shit.
Bro, it was bad. It was
But
bad.
like, I don't endorse this, but I want to try bhang. I do not endorse it, but for the vibes यार, मतलब एक बार मतलब देखो यार,
पता है हमारे कटने वाला है. पता है कि नहीं? आपको पता है?
भांग ठीक है, बट मेरे को ट्राई करना है. अगर नहीं भी कटा है तो मेरे को थोड़ा ट्राई करना है कभी एक बार,
We will have.
क्योंकि प्रसाद ही है, प्रसाद जैसे ही उसको यूज करते हैं भांग को.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
इट्स अ महाशिवरात्रि का
ठीक है,
प्रसाद. अरे हाँ भाई, वो बाबा ने दिया जेठालाल को प्रसाद महाशिवरात्रि के दिन.
देख बाबा का रेप्यूटेशन इंडिया में उतना कुछ खास नहीं.
But yeah, also like, bro, I feel Tarak Mehta has had like good. Why do we always listen?
Yeah.
We're stans.
Where stands?
Like, of course, there are a lot of problematic things about the show, but I feel like everyone knows this is the old episodes, but like, yeah, I love it.
The fun part was people, you see like TV shows पे they're celebrating Holi way after you are done celebrating Holi, like they'll telecast that specific episode later on, and it's just like a vibe kill. मतलब do it on the day or like 2-3 days after, so I am with you, I'm feeling with you.
Exactly.
Like 1 week has passed and you're just like watching people play Holi on TV. Like, dude, stay with me.
Yeah.
Like, match the level.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, Tarak Mehta for sure, like, had crazy ass episodes for Holi, definitely.
I know. There's this one time with Daya was so Daya was standing here and Jethalal was standing behind. And she's like, नहीं टप्पू को पापा मुझे मत लगाइए, मुझे मत. And he's like, तुझे लगा भी कौन रहा? He was going to search for Babita.
I was about to say that. I think this one time where they're twinning, Babita ji and Jethalal, they're like wearing blue dupattas or something together.
I remember this.
Bhai, this is. I'm sorry, I never saw Tarak Mehta, but this sounds very toxic to me.
Listen,
When it was made,
this is well established that. That's what I'm saying. No, certain things are problematic about the show, but keeping that aside and only focusing on like the Holi special episodes,
damn fun.
yeah, this was funny.
So like you mentioned building fights. So like my building and this other building next to me, we just shared one wall.
Yes.
One wall is all that we had as a barrier to stop the fight, and like we would feel like मिट्टी भर रहे balloon में पानी डाल रहे यहाँ वहाँ फेंक रहे. It was crazy. And this one time both the buildings का friends whatever came together and we were like, listen, instead of doing building, because they had less people and we had lot of people, so it would be unfair.
Teams.
हाँ, तो हमने टीम बांट दिए. We like, तुम यहाँ जाओ, हम वहाँ जाओ. हम वो दूसरी बिल्डिंग के मतलब there was this like sort of escape, like if there's a fire escape you would come down, so there was this one छोटू balcony sort of a thing on like the first floor or like ground floor और first floor के बीच में से कुछ ऐसा था
like an emergency thing.
हाँ, हमने बाल्टी भरे हैं, हम वहाँ ऊपर जाके हमारी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर फेंक रहे हैं. And it was so like they couldn't match the height, so they couldn't see कि वो कहाँ फेंक रहे, but we could see कि वो कहाँ फेंक रहे. And हम aim लगाए जा रहे. It was so much fun. Like that barrier was non-existent. Like होली के दिन वो barrier था ही नहीं, बस वो दीवार बस दीवार थी. हम crazy के जैसे होली खेल रहे. And so this one time, of course, like you couldn't add susu to the balloon, like obviously. Of course not. Like I've heard people do that, but like no,
my God.
do not do that, please.
Tritika,
So
what the fuck? Yeah.
Have you all not heard of people adding susu and throwing?
No.
Bro, I have PTSD now.
Oh my god.
That happened long back, like not anymore. So like
No, but like it's very possible that the fucking balloon that has come on me has Motra in it.
Susu.
Dad, I've never heard of that.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad I'm not playing Holi in India. I'm playing it outside.
So
Oh
we want to
my
make it look
God.
like there was susu. So we like filled like almost 8 to 10 balloons with like
I have
water.
goosebumps right now.
And we mixed yellow in it, thoda sa, and we made it almost like a susu. And then we threw those. That was not susu. That was yellow color mixed in water. But
My eyes are watering. I'm gagging. Go
ew.
on.
Ew. I've never played that. I've never played Holi with susu, but I've
Disgusting,
heard of
Ritika,
people do that.
That's
I didn't do it. I've
absolute-
heard people. Are you crazy? You think I would?
Is this a pani puri thela?
No. But you'll have, I'm surprised I've
Pani
never
puri
heard of
what?
that.
Dude, haven't you heard those news of like a pani puri guy pissing in like
don't.
Dude,
Yeah,
I've heard
dude,
like
this
worse people, like this guy, Momo stall per tha. He like mixed his cum in the mayonnaise and he was selling it. Yup. Yup.
what news are you being exposed to and why?
It was on Instagram.
मेरे को खेलना ही नहीं है भाई बड़े बड़े मजे से सबको वहाँ पे सिंगापुर में बोल रही हूँ मुंबई का स्ट्रीट फूड का है क्या मुंबई का स्ट्रीट
I'm tweaking right now. Okay, go on.
So, not mixed susu, but we've mixed yellow color in the water and we've thrown, making it look like susu.
don't make people threaten for their lives just please don't ever do that
Yeah. Okay.
but you know
and then
That's it. That was the end of
thank
Holi.
you. Thank you so much. You stopped there.
The end of Holi fights, like building.
yeah
Mein.
good
Yeah.
so you know I've always observed there was this only one time I didn't play Holi but actually I went but like I had a lot of time before that so it was our 10th boards I think
Okay.
and my mom was like you are not playing.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like crying, I'm like begging, and I've literally touched my dad's feet. I'm like, please, please let me go. And then my dad is like, what we can do is when you don't go for the build-up Holi. So Holi starts around like 9, right?
9:30.
And then it goes up to 2 o'clock or 3:30. So then my dad is like, you go around 12, 9 से 12 पढ़ लेना अच्छे से. So then I was like,
That's heartbreak.
You can't understand one word you're studying.
you're
at that
like
point.
you're looking at the book, but your mind is downstairs.
Bro,
I
rango
can't.
barse.
exactly. I'm reading my book और नीचे वो रंग बरसे भीगे and I'm trying to remember the words as no mitochondria is a power. Bro, it was too bad. It was so fucking bad and all my friends are calling me and I'm like हाँ आ रही हूँ फिर उसके बाद कैसे तो करके मम्मी को कैसे तो मना के प्लीज करके
सबरीना दीदी आप भी खेलते हो?
मम्मी को मना करके मैं नीचे गई वगैरह फिर वाइब भी नहीं था यार
Yeah.
You should be from the get to the end is when you
Exactly.
feel the entire
Vibe of it.
vibe of it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Then I come upstairs and I was like, fuck this shit भाई मतलब थोड़ा तो खेली भाई पागल है क्या नीचे जाके रंग ना लगा क्या उसको
वही।
खेली खाया फिर आई एंड देन फिर उसके बाद मेरा पढ़ने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम तो है तो मैं पढ़ूंगी ही क्यों
Valid.
अभी तक का तो टाइम दिया था पेरेंट्स ने और फिर मैं टीवी लगाया और ऐसे मतलब मूवीज आ रहे थे जिसमें होली के सीन्स होते हैं वगैरह
हाँ।
वगैरह। तो इसमें ये टाइम पे बैठ के मैंने एक ऑब्जर्वेशन किया आई वाज लाइक bro all the holy scenes in most of the Bollywood movies either they have like it's the crazy like party
Yeah.
and then the end of the song there's some sudden drama like some sudden random drama
yes.
so if you look at YJHD they get the letter
Yeah.
that he is going to go if you've seen Jolly LLB 2
Yes.
उसमें भी होली खेलते हैं पूरा और फिर होली के बाद वो जो there's a lady who comes to this lawyer with her husband's case so it was also like a mellow scene
Yeah. So yeah, the same thing had happened, I think, in Sholay also.
Oh fuck yeah!
I haven't seen the movie. I don't know.
I've seen
I
the
just
movie.
remember this. I don't know why I remember this, like out of nowhere. But after the song ends, like Gabbar's gang attacks the villagers.
Uh-huh.
So that's a very sexy observation.
Yeah,
Na?
right?
Then even in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, they play the Lato Martina and they're going back home.
Spain
to
ki
the,
Holi.
Yeah, they're going back to their hotel and everything, and there's Natasha standing. She's like, Kabir?
Kabir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हर जगह का है, universal है.
Yeah, I love how there are certain tropes that are just followed.
Yeah, like unspoken rule
Unspoken rules in cinema across have just been followed.
types. Yeah, for
like
sure.
if there's a holy song in the movie, you have to expect a climax now.
Yeah,
Huh,
it,
for
it
sure.
like something peaks over there at that
Yeah,
point of the
Like
movie.
the plot's developing. The
Yeah,
characters are
yeah.
developing. For
Yeah,
sure.
fair.
There's this movie called Toilet Ek Prem Katha, Akshay Kumar and Bhumi Pednekar. And this movie is like not a movie, but like the story comes from Uttar Pradesh. And in like when they celebrate Holi in Uttar Pradesh, specifically in this chotu town called Barsana, and over there they have this thing in Holi that's called Latmar Holi. So like the bride and like the husband and the wife, like the wife is the wife's like beating the husband with a stick, and then the husband's like shielding himself. And if the wife supposedly hit, it's not like fucking like
Acha, like,
at it. It's like a playful
Okay,
thing.
playful tradition.
Yeah, like a playful tradition. And like if the guy gets hit, then he's supposed to dress up like his wife and then roam around the entire city for the day. And but it's in the song also. Like they show that scene like happening in the movie.
Recreating.
Yeah, like the song's called Latmar.
But yeah, like what's the history behind them hitting or like playfully hitting?
Yeah, so the thing, Barsana is the birthplace of Radha, right? So, so it's like a thing where Krishna and his other, like Lord Krishna and his other fellows are like sort of playfully annoying the Gopiyas, and like the Gopiyas are like trying to show the men away. So that's where it comes from. It's like a very playful. It's not like
yeah, not
hitting
like
source.
being violent. They're just
It's
a playful banter.
Yeah. So that's where it comes from.
Ooh,
Damn.
Yep.
cute. But you know, you spoke about
Holika.
Holika, yeah. Like that day is called Holi, and the thing that we play is called Rang
Rang
Panchami.
Panchami.
Rang Panchami.
For the longest time, I didn't know that, and I was like, oh,
Both of these
Yeah.
are it's
considered synonymous.
Yeah, so for the longest time, Sanjana didn't know what is Holi and what is Rang Panchami, and she would like randomly go up to people and be like, Holi kab hai Holi?
She would do that.
स्वाति कल समझेगा होली कब है होली but yeah dude like again this is something that used to happen in like old societies
Yeah.
like you know in the middle of the society it's like being the holika is being burnt and everyone is around that and doing it, and see, as much as I love it used to burn my eyes, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
And I know it like also helps in killing mosquitoes and stuff, but my eyes used to burn so badly. And I was like, holy kabe. It's cute, man.
So in my
cute, I like
family, there used to be this certain ornament that you make the holika wear. It's like
It's white.
it's sweet. It's a
What?
sweet actually. So
Oh.
it's
It's white in color?
हाँ ये इसका होता है like शुगर का सिरप करके उसको हार्डन करते हैं
Is
और
it like Tilgud?
no उसके
No?
pasties होते हैं and those pasties are attached to a like rasti and you tie the rasti on the holika. It's like a sweet you offer to the holika. I don't know. I genuinely don't know why they do that. I've asked my parents also. But the thing is that you basically have to decorate the holika and you
Yeah.
have to make her look as pretty.
Oh, it's a
as you
her?
can. Yeah.
Yeah, Holika.
Dude, don't you know
I
the entire
don't.
story? Oh my
I
god.
don't.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Tell her. So the thing
I
is
actually
that-
wanted to ask you all like what's
Yeah.
the
significance
of
the thing is that when there was this king Hiranyakashipu, he had a son Prahlad.
okay
Prahlad was a huge devotee of Vishnu Bhagwan.
okay
Like he used to only worship him and nobody else. And Hiranyakashipu was very egoistic as a person. So he
Okay.
wanted Prahlad to devote him instead of Vishnu Bhagwan. So there was this time that he was like just fed up of his son not being his devotee, and he decided to kill his son.
Okay.
So there was this relative of Hiranyakashipu, I think, that was Holika. Holika was immune to fire from the birth. So
Okay.
it was said that Holika will sit with Prahlad in her lap so that he doesn't escape the bonfire when they are burning him alive.
Okay.
So then she takes Prahlad in her lap and they start burning the bonfire, and it lights up eventually. And that's when Vishnu Bhagwan saves Prahlad out of the bonfire, but also disables Holika's immunity to fire.
So it's said that Holika has like sort of like a cloak which
Okay.
makes her immune. So Lord Vishnu took that cloak from Holika and then he put it on Prahlad, so he doesn't burn, and eventually
shit.
like Holika dies. So it's like evil, good over evil.
Yeah.
Like that.
And then, how does it tie up to Rang Panchami?
No.
हाँ ना, इसके बारे में तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं.
Wait. So one story that I know of for Rang Panchami happening is again related to Radha and Krishna. So I don't know if this is real or not, but I read it somewhere. And so Krishna was very envious of Radha, and you know, like in terms of
Color.
her
Oh, yeah.
skin
Oh, yeah.
color. Like she
Yeah,
was
yeah.
really fair, she was really pretty, and Krishna
Yeah.
because in like older books, Krishna was supposed like
Yeah.
thought to be either black or blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he was like, "मैं ऐसा रंग, this is my color." And it's
Yeah,
like
okay.
Radha is so pretty, and like you know, how like what's up? So Radha must. So somebody told Krishna कि you can put color on her, so she becomes the same color as you,
Ooh.
and that's how Holi Rang Panchami started.
Oh
happening.
yeah, even I've read this.
Yeah.
Even I've read this.
This is one of the stories that
This is one of the stories.
Yeah, but I feel like there's
there
also
might be
many
many.
versions.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
stuff.
But whatever it is, nice creation, good creation,
है ना fun,
Yeah,
fun
fun.
vibes.
good activity.
I think Holi is definitely second for me after Diwali as one of my favorite festivals. Like it's a close first, I would say.
Oh, really?
I
Yeah,
really
same,
love Holi.
same.
Despite of me not celebrating it every year, I
Close.
still love like I look forward to Holi.
No.
I think I'm very biased towards the second half of the year. So
For
me,
sure.
for me, Christmas and Diwali are top, and then is Ganesh Chaturthi.
for me it's Ganpati first, then Diwali. I
Interesting.
really enjoy Ganpati. तभी भी almost Holi खिलते ही है.
हाँ, गुलाल से.
Yeah.
Right.
And then the next day, a few days after that, you'll see people coming with color over here.
You look exactly like you visited Lal Bagh Saraja.
Like
And you
विसर्जन में
know-
नाची है ये और फिर
No, she has taken the charan sparsh, and then
हाँ.
you know a lot of, even I do that, bro. If you take the charan, you don't wipe it until the
you
end
don't
of the
wipe
day.
it. Fair.
It has to stay on your
Yeah.
forehead.
Yeah.
And हम लोग के यहाँ पे ना शादी के टाइम पे हल्दी होती है.
हाँ.
हम लोग हल्दी में भी होली खेलते हैं. So it's not
Obviously.
just like सिर्फ ब्राइड को लगा रहे हैं या सिर्फ ग्रूम को लगा रहे हैं. आपस में भी एक दूसरे के ऊपर हल्दी फेंक रहे हैं, लगा
हाँ
रहे हैं.
भाई. Same.
As a kid, I used to play Holi every day with my mom. So after bath, she used to powder me.
Uno reverse. इधर.
Bum पे.
Bump. Sexy place to put. Yeah. Holi is fun. I like Holi.
I love Holi. Let's celebrate it this year if we can.
It's in March, no?
Bye.
Yeah. 14th March, I think.
We should.
Let's.
We should invite them to play as well. Oh my god. We should have an intimate Holi party.
Bye.
That's why I said intimate. Little extra intimate. Yeah. But yeah, guys, we really hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, which you should, don't forget to like this video, comment down the gun emoji and the color palette emoji. So that's what we want y'all to do. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's it for you.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, give us a 5-star rating, okay? Like, कर दो अब. Holi आने वाली है. दिल बड़ा रखो, 5 घुजिया फेंक के मारो ताकि 5 स्टार पे लगता है. ठीक है?
Yes.
Do that.
And if you're watching this on Instagram, please watch our reels, like them, comment something nice, share them to all your friends with whom you've always celebrated Holi or made plans of celebrating Holi but never actually did. Just send it to them. Follow us on Instagram as well.
And until then, stay Besharam. Bye-bye.
Bye.